Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to enable restricted mode on TikTok. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. Now, you will see two options: Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you will see many options. From there, tap on Digital Wellbeing. There, you will find Restricted Mode, and tap on it. Now, you will see Turn On option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Turn On. Then, it will ask you to set a passcode to turn on Restricted Mode. Provide the passcode and click on Next. Then, it will ask you to confirm the passcode. Provide the passcode and tap on Set. And you have successfully enabled the restricted mode on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and you are able to enable the restricted mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.